Welcome to Weld.com. Part one of a series we did. We're going to do a comparison of stainless steel 308 wire. I welded the first part with a C25 gas, 75% argon, 25% CO2. And on this segment, I want to do the tri-blend of gas, argon, helium, carbon dioxide, and I want to weld it according to the settings the machine recommends. The machine recommends a thickness of 3/16. It gives the values for 14 gauge, 10 gauge, and 3/16. I'm doing 1/4 inch, but what's a 1/16 amongst friends here? But I am going to weld it just like the chart says, 25 volts, 350 on the wire feed speed. And again, we're running 030 308 stainless wire. So let me get my gear on and I'll be right back. We'll weld this. We want to do a comparison of color, bead shape, and so let me get my gear on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready to weld this. Two things here. Big shout out to Tab and Slot Certi-Flat table here. I really like this table. On the first one, I tried to lay down a piece of plate and drag along. I'm going to just take my finger and kind of go along the very corner of this just so I can try to travel smooth. I'm going to lean this forward maybe 5 degrees. I may put just a slight stitch in it. Again, that's kind of my timing and how I move. I have a hard time just leaving it alone and just trying to travel smooth. There's something about that. I skip and jump around, so bear with me on that. Again, this whole concept here is to show the difference of the two gases, color and bead shape. So let me get comfortable here and I'll pull the trigger. I want to brush this off with a hand brush. I noticed a little bit of a soot affair on there. The color, just standing over the top of it here, is a little brighter. It probably sounded like it had a real heavy pop to it. Again, that's the nature of the helium and the gas. You know, I'm not too concerned here. I do see, standing up over the top of it, a little bit of a peak. Bead profile is good. The thing I notice here is good smooth ripple lines. I did do a little more stitching down here. This right through here has real consistent bead ripple pattern, and the toe of the weld is blended nicely. This one, our other weld that we had here, this is the C25 weld that we did the first time, same wire. This is the tri-blend of gas, a lot less spatter. The mechanics or the bead profile is a little better. This is rounded up some. Yeah, maybe I could have changed values and cranked this up a little bit, but I'm thinking if I would have changed values in voltage, then I might have gotten more spatter. It may have gone clear into the globular, and I don't know. I kind of like the way this reacted as far as the way we weld it. I really like the way this reacted. I thought it was a lot smoother. It sounds different, it sounds funny than probably what you're used to hearing when you're welding carbon steel. Carbon steel in a short arc, we get that nice crispy sizzle. Again, keep an open mind, and you're looking at more profile and how things wet in and the overall shape of the bead. So we appreciate the viewer comments. We've had some really good ones and very supportive comments that this helps. And this is the main reason that we're doing this, is to kind of spread some knowledge here. And some of you may not have access to some of these gases. The wire is pretty common, the gas is common, but it's not like you want to go buy this and have it sitting around because you're going to do just a little bit of stainless every now and then. That could be expensive. So again, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the videos. New videos come out every Monday. Thank you.